Today we'll guide you through the creation of a unique hand-shaped potted plant stand. Start by placing a latex glove inside a jar and folding the cuff over. This glove will be the mold for our sculpture. In a disposable bowl, combine concrete powder and water until you achieve a smooth, paste-like consistency. Carefully pour the concrete mixture into the glove, ensuring it fills every nook and cranny. Secure the top of the glove with a rubber band. Position the concrete-filled glove to achieve the desired hand shape. You can use a bowl to prop up the fingers and flatten the palm. Once the concrete has hardened, carefully peel off the glove. Take your time during this step. Scissors might come in handy. Once you have the glove off, you can use light sandpaper to smooth out any imperfections. Or if you're feeling creative, add a splash of color with acrylic paint. Check out our website for a full material list and step-by-step instructions.